Hey guys, welcome back for this unboxing video. This is box number 13, I think. We got 4 more left, 13, 14. No, so this should be, I don't know. I lost track. I don't know which box it is. This is, I'm pretty sure that this is box number 14 then. Yeah, it should be box 14, I guess. So yeah, there's gonna be 74 comics inside this box, and let's go check out which ones are in this one. So yeah, we're nearing the end of the whole stack of 17 boxes. I got some X Factors there and some Ghost Riders. And what else do we have here? Just one more, 2 more at the bottom. Got a Dazzler. Let me just make 2 piles and then we'll dig into in this batch. So yeah, I guess this one is going to be X Factor heavy. Don't know what's included in these boxes, so let's just check them out. Issue number 48 and 49. And 54, 55. With early Mark Silvestri art, at least I think it's early. 56 and 57. And then we hop back a little bit for 41 and 43. And 44. And 45 and 46. Then we got a Thor, not sure which volume this is, issue number 7. And the variant edition, issue number 7. We got Onslaught versus the X-Men and Onslaught versus the Marvel Universe. Both one-shots. Another Thor, issue number 10. Spider-Woman issue number 16 and Thor number 9 and number 8 and another issue number 8. Yeah, they are the same volume. Then we have a Mighty Avengers issue number 12, which is a homage to an early Avengers issue. Justice League Annual, Justice League International Annual number 2 and number 1. Then we got a Dazzler issue number 7. And a Ghost Rider issue number 11. Probably like 5th or 6th volume or something like that. Then we got Gambit and Bishop issues number 2 and 3, Sons of the Atom. Team America issues number 3 and 4. Defenders issue number 131 and another X Factor number 47. Another Thor issue number 11 and Secret Avengers Fear Itself issue number 13. X Factor 59 and 60. And 61 and 62. And 68. Another Ghost Rider issue number 8. And Wolverine Weapon X issue number 16. X Factor Annual number 4 and number 3. Generation X Gen 13 crossover between Marvel and Image. And I think this is a variant cover, and I'm pretty sure I don't have this one yet, so that's very cool. Then we got some more X Factors, issue number 30 and 31. The Walt Simonson run. And number 32. And 64. And 63. And issue number 33 and 35, I guess. 36. And 37. Oh no, 38 actually. Oh yeah, and 39. Part of the Inferno crossover. Then we have another Ghost Rider issue number 10. A Dazzler number 3. And number 40. Then we have Heroes and Legends, November 97. Not sure if, I think I have one issue of this series actually, but I don't know how many issues there are in this, and whether this is a variant cover and the same inside, I have no idea. Gambit and Bishop issue number 5. Another Defenders issue, or several actually. So we got 131, 132, 133, and 134, 135, and 136. Pretty cool, pretty cool. X Factor issue number 4. Punisher War Journal, part of the Civil War storyline, issue number 2. Marvel's Greatest Collections, no idea what this is. Let's just open it up to check it out. Okay, so basically it's a presentation of the hardcovers and trade paperbacks Marvel sold in that period of 2009. Yeah, I'm not going to keep this one in my collection, so I'll see if I can make someone else happy with this. Or wait, well, there's actually a reading chronology in there as well. Let me see if that's anything new. Oh no, that's basically how to line up the trade paperbacks to get the full chronology. So there's that. We got a Secret Avengers issue number 14, part of the Fear Itself storyline. We got some Spectres, issue number 12 and issue number 5. These seem to be of the same volume. And issue number 6. Pretty cool cover. Then we have another Punisher War Journal, but this is the first volume with, I think, a Mark Teixeira cover, I guess. Then we have a Daredevil, issue number 249 and 367. And another Gambit and Bishop, issue number 6 of 6. And here we have Spider-Man and Generation X one shot, I'm pretty sure. And that's it for this box, guys. Which one was this? 14. So I'll be opening box 15 now, which you'll be able to see the day after you're seeing this one at the soonest. And I want to thank you guys for joining me in this unboxing video, and hope to see you guys for the next one. Later.